Congratulations to the Barrie Soccer Club for leading the way and embracing Project 100 for Canada.
Project 100 is a very important initiative where we want 100% of sports fields to have access to an AED within 100 seconds and 100% of coaches and athletes trained. So obviously big ambitious goal, but very important.
In partnership with Action First Aid, 100% of coaches are now trained in CPR and how to use an AED.
I think the biggest thing is to just keep my eye out for an AED or the closest access point to one, because not all fields have them, and I think it's beneficial if we can provide one or if we know exactly where to find one.
Me personally, after taking one of the courses, that's something I do now. I check every single field location I go to. I'm like, there's the AED. Every dome I enter, coaches, there's the AED. It's right out front. And I think that's very important.
The CPR 60 program, it was very simple and easy to follow online. The information was straightforward and kind of really helped stick in my brain so I don't forget it.
100% of our development and our competitive coaches have all completed their first aid training. So every coach is not allowed to step on the field until they are first aid trained. And that's very important for us. And we're very excited to be carrying that into our house league program as well. We want all coaches that are with our club to be trained and be prepared to be on the field. It's huge. We saw two kids in the room using proper technique and they picked it up so quick, just like everybody else in the room. That really goes to the point of anybody can give CPR, anybody can save a life. Giving them the opportunity that if something were to ever happen, they might actually have the confidence to step in and do something. Actually giving the compressions, actually hearing what an AED sounds like, actually feeling comfortable knowing that it's going to talk to you. Even if something were to happen, they can, they'll still have guidance, they're not alone.
I'm definitely more comfortable now after doing the refresher. You're better off doing than just watching. It's a fun experience in all honesty. It wasn't too serious, so it really just makes it a good learning environment.
If you are from another club and you are not adopting something like this, really all I'm saying is, what are you doing? You have to really consider what you are doing. Barrie is obviously a big club and we're very proud of that, but there are also huge clubs all across the GTA, all across Ontario, Canada, everywhere. Soccer is a very, very big sport. So for coaches at other clubs, administrators, club managers, I really encourage them to at least consider a partnership with a first aid company. We don't want something to happen for a change to be made.
I'm really grateful that Barrie Soccer has taken the initiative to start Project 100, and I think it should start a domino effect amongst other clubs in Ontario, so I'd like to see that happen.
To learn how your club can get involved, contact Action First Aid today.